Hello everyone, welcome back to English Vibe channel. English is very easy and fun. I am Alex.
Hi, everyone, and I am Emma.
Hey Emma, it's good to see you again. How's everything going today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. It's been a productive day so far. How about you?
Pretty good actually. I've been focusing on improving my communication skills lately.
That's interesting. What made you focus on communication?
I realized that speaking clearly and confidently makes a big difference in both personal and professional life.
That's absolutely true. Many people understand English well, but they struggle when it comes to speaking confidently.
Exactly. I think fear is the biggest problem.
Fear of making mistakes?
Yes, fear of making mistakes and being judged.
I agree. But honestly, making mistakes is part of learning.
Definitely. You can't improve if you don't practice.
So, Alex, how do you practice speaking every day?
I try to speak out loud even when I'm alone.
Really? What do you talk about?
Simple things. For example, I describe what I'm doing. If I'm cooking, I say, now I'm cutting vegetables. Now I'm adding salt.
That's actually a great idea. It builds fluency naturally.
Yes, and it helps me think in English instead of translating.
Thinking in English is very important.
Absolutely. Translating slows you down.
What advice would you give to someone who feels shy speaking English?
I would say start small. Speak in short sentences.
That makes sense.
For example, instead of trying to say a long, complicated sentence, just say, I agree, or that's interesting.
Short and clear is better than long and confusing.
Exactly. Clarity is more important than complexity.
Let's talk about workplace English.
Good topic.
Many learners feel nervous during meetings.
That's common. Meetings can be intimidating.
How can someone feel more confident?
Prepare in advance. Practice possible sentences like, I'd like to share my idea, or I agree with that point.
Preparation reduces anxiety.
Yes, because you already know what you might say.
Let's practice a natural casual conversation.
Sure, I'll start. Hey Emma, what did you do last weekend?
I spent time with my family and watched a movie. What about you?
I went hiking. The weather was perfect.
That sounds relaxing.
See? Simple conversation, but very natural.
And useful for daily life.
Pronunciation is another important part of speaking practice.
Yes, many learners speak clearly, but mispronounce common words.
Listening helps improve pronunciation.
Repeating after native speakers is powerful.
That technique is called shadowing.
Right. Listen and repeat immediately.
Emma, do you still make mistakes sometimes?
Of course. Everyone does.
That's reassuring.
The difference is confident speakers don't panic when they make mistakes.
They correct themselves and continue.
Exactly.
What kind of goals should English learners set?
Small daily goals. For example, today I will speak for 5 minutes without stopping.
That's achievable.
Big goals can feel overwhelming.
Small steps lead to big progress.
Imagine you're at a party in the United States.
Okay,
Someone says, "Hi, nice to meet you."
I would say, nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
Perfect. Simple and friendly.
Conversations usually start with small talk.
Yes, like weather, hobbies, or work.
Sometimes people feel stuck.
That's normal.
What should they do?
Change your learning method. Try speaking with a partner.
Or record yourself speaking.
Yes. Recording helps you notice mistakes.
Technology has made speaking practice easier.
Definitely. You can join online conversation groups,
Or use language exchange apps.
but real progress comes from consistent effort.
Discipline beats motivation.
If you're listening to this conversation, you're already improving.
The key is daily speaking practice.
Speak even if you feel uncomfortable.
Confidence grows with repetition.
Don't wait to be perfect.
Start now.
Every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
And every mistake is a lesson.
Keep going.
Keep practicing.
And most importantly,
Believe in yourself.
thanks for the conversation, Alex.
Thank you, Emma. Let's continue practicing next time.
Absolutely.
See you soon.
See you.